Moving tips!
Hi! If you have recently moved to a new home with your baby, there is something you must do even before your little one begins to crawl around the house. It's called baby-proofing or child-proofing. The process of ensuring your baby's safety and consequentially your peace of mind should be done as soon as possible, as it requires some careful planning and proper execution. Baby may not be crawling yet, but she or he could still encounter some hazards. When it's time to bring your newborn home, you want to be sure the house is safely set up to receive your baby. And the best time for baby-proofing your home is long before the move. Learn how to baby-proof room by room with our video tips. You're not just checking for things that could pose a direct risk to a little one. Anything that could harm you while you have baby in your arms, like slippery floors and wobbly furniture, will need to be addressed too. Use this baby-proofing checklist to secure your home and prepare for emergencies.
Moving tips!
Baby-proofing around the house. Install smoke detectors on every level of your home and in the hallways outside of bedrooms. Purchase a fire extinguisher and learn how to use it. Stock your medicine cabinet or first aid kit. Have at least one phone in your home that's connected by a landline. Cordless phones don't work when the power is out, and cell phone batteries can run out. Place a list of emergency numbers near the landline. Make sure your home or apartment number is easy to see so fire or rescue can locate you quickly in an emergency. Install a temperature guard on your water heater at a maximum of 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 48 degrees Celsius. Put non-slip pads under all rugs. Cover all sharp furniture edges and corners with bumpers or safety padding. Block all open outlets with furniture or use safety plugs. Latch closed any drawers, doors or cupboards within baby's reach. Get rid of any blinds or curtains with looped cords, or install safety tassels and cord stops to tuck away the cords. Always unplug and store electric appliances that aren't used, like iron, curling iron, etc. Check the house and yard for poisonous plants and move them out of baby's reach. Always store your and visitors' purses out of baby's reach as well. If you plan to hook a high chair to your kitchen table, check that the table is sturdy and strong.
Moving tips!
Baby-proofing the nursery. Place baby wipes and supplies where you can reach them from changing table, but baby can't. Put a thick rug or carpet below the changing table. Position the crib away from windows, heaters, lamps, wall decoration and cords. Finish all painting and wallpapering at least 8 weeks before baby is expected, to avoid exposing baby to any potentially harmful fumes. Check that none of the crib slats are more than 2 and 3/8 inches apart, and that all the bolts and screws are tight. Make sure there are no gaps between the mattress and crib. Keep bumpers, comforters, pillows, blankets and toys out of the crib. Check all nursery furniture according to our safety suggestions. Each year, millions of children are accidentally injured in their homes, and almost all of those injuries could have been prevented if the right child-proofing steps had been taken. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to push the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our new videos. You can also find a lot of helpful info on our blog at movingme.com. And as always, good luck with your move. Bye!
Moving tips!